Hello and welcome to EasyFi. Today we'll be doing our test paper series and our topic of discussion is preposition. Now, as we know, preposition is a word that shows relation, between two words that may be noun, maybe noun verb. It differs and it indicates, now preposition indicates many things. Sometimes it may indicate time, at sometimes it may indicate direction, and there are many things. It depends upon the sentence. And I will not be discussing much on what a preposition is. It is basically it basically depends on your common sense. If you know what to put, if you know to read the sentence and make out a meaning of that sentence in your own language, in your mother tongue, that will be very much easy for you to understand preposition or to answer preposition. So I will suggest that whenever doing preposition, always translate that sentence in your mother tongue. That will help you in answering the answers better. And also we are here to tell you the rules and all the tricks to solve the questions. Now, in your exams, you will be getting the main question as like this: if in the fill in the blanks with the correct preposition from among the choices given in bracket. Now, I will not be giving you options because if we have to build a strong base, we must know where to put what without looking at the options. We must see the sentence and know how to answer them. Now, the first question: the train is bound dash Delhi. Now, in your exams, you may get options like for, to, at. Now, always remember, whenever such sentences are there in exams, the train is bound dash Delhi, or maybe any other thing here, any other word. So always remember, if here the word is a noun, always we must use for, or usually we use for. If here it is not a noun, if here there is a verb, then we will use to, at, or something like that. But whenever there is a verb at the end of such sentences or at the place before which we are to put the preposition, always we must put for. Okay. Now, next question: Assam is rich dash minerals. Assam is rich in minerals. Now, that is a very common sentence. Rich in minerals means minerals are found in Assam, and that is why we have written in. We cannot write on, we cannot write anything else. We have to write Assam is rich in minerals. That means minerals are found in Assam. Now, next question: I met him dash the street. I met him on the street. I met him on the street. Now, in many places you may have seen the answer being I met him in the street. And now, in the street you can use that, but we are using on when we know that the person whom we have met on a specific place, we know the position, then we have to use on. And when we are saying that I met him dash the street, that means we remember the specific spot on which we met him. And in for me it doesn't sound proper, because if we are writing in the street, that means that means in the middle of the street. Now whenever we are meeting someone in the middle of the street, that doesn't sound proper, so we must write on. I met him on the street. Don't write in the street. Next, happiness. Happiness consists, now this is, happiness consists in speaking the truth. Happiness consists in speaking the truth. Now this I'll not be saying anything or explaining anything. I'll just say that here the answer will be in, because that is the proper English that is to be used. Now our next question, he always runs dash money. He always runs dash money. Now that is a very easy answer to remember. He always runs after money. He always runs after money. Next, flour is made dash wheat. Now this is very easy, but we generally commit mistakes here. Remember two things here. Flour is made of wheat. Now here, whenever the thing or the substance or whatever is here is something that undergoes a change, something that undergoes a physical change, or something that undergoes, yes, something that undergoes a physical change or any kind of change, then we have to use of. Like flour is made of wheat. Here flour was made from wheat. It had a physical change from wheat. It went to flour. If there was the sentence was of some other kind, like the ring is made of gold. The ring is made of gold. Next question, flour is made dash wheat. The answer will be flour is made from wheat. Flour is made from wheat. Now in this question or in these type of questions, always remember, if the thing which is written here, the substance which is written here undergoes a change in its physical form, then we have to use from. F-R-O-M. From. Here wheat was changed to flour. It underwent a physical change. But we have to write of if the sentence is like this. The ring is made of gold. Here gold does not undergo any physical change. So in sentences, always remember, in sentences, when the thing which is mentioned undergoes a physical change, then we have to write from, and if it does not undergo any physical change, we have to write of. Okay. Next, write your answers in black ink. Write your answers in black ink, or you might even get the question as write your answers in black. Now whenever you get these, remember to put in before that. No need to remember anything else. Just remember, whenever you get this question, write your answers dash black ink, always write in. And if you don't remember the answer, just use this trick, black ink in, so you can put the answer IN. Next, the cow lives dash grass. The cow lives on grass. The cow lives on grass. It means the cow lives or sustains his life by eating grass, or we can also say that the cow depends on grass to live. The cow lives on grass. We can also understand it by the cow depends on grass to live. So whenever you get these kind of sentences, the cow lives dash grass, always we must write on. Now next, we go to school dash bus. We go to school by bus. But if here it was not bus, and if it was foot, if it was foot, then the answer would have been on. We go to, let me write it here, we go to school on foot. We go to school on foot. Whenever we are going somewhere with a vehicle, we must use by. We go to school by bus, by car, by whatever. Now that is a medium, so we are writing by, and if there is foot, then we will write on. Now we'll move on to the next question. I am senior dash your sister. Now always remember, this is very easy. Senior, junior, adjacent. Always remember such words. Whenever we get such words before the preposition, always we are to use to. I am senior to your sister, or it may be like this: I am junior to your sister, or such words. Next question. The principal presided dash the meeting. The principal presided over the meeting. Now in this also we don't have any formula to remember. Just remember the sentence: the principal presided dash the meeting over. Or there may be any person, may be principal, may be teacher, may be anybody else. The principal presided. Whenever we are talking about a meeting, it is presided over. So whenever we get the word presided, always remember to write over. Or even if you forget with this, always remember, whenever we are talking about a meeting, it will be presided over. So meeting over, presided over, so the answer will be over. Next, she excels in dancing. She excels in dancing. Now in this sentence, she is very good in dancing. We also say like this. So whenever we are writing excels, we are to put the preposition in. She excels in dancing. Whenever we are talking about a particular talent or skill of somebody, she excels in dancing, or it may be singing, she excels in singing, or maybe drawing or something else. So whenever we are talking about skill, we are to write in. Now, he lives dash hand to mouth. He lives from hand to mouth. That is, he barely survives, or he barely survives with the earning he gets. He barely survives with the earning he gets. He lives from hand to mouth. So whenever we get the sentence or words hand to mouth, we must write from. We must write from. Now, and the next question: he is appointed dash the post. He is appointed to the post. Whenever just like senior, junior, whenever we get appointed, we have to write to. Now that may vary. I am not saying that always we will write to. He is appointed to the post, as here it is the post, so we are writing to. He is appointed to the post. Now next, she is junior. This also to. She is junior to me by 3 years. As earlier I have told that whenever we get senior or junior in a sentence, we have to write to. Next, health is preferable. Now this is also to. Whenever we get the word preferable, we must always put to before it, after it. Next one, he is angry dash his naughty sister. He is angry dash his naughty sister. Now whenever we are writing angry or happy or any other emotion and saying his or his, here it is written his naughty sister. Now it may be any other person, his mother, his father, his brother, any person. Whenever it is a person, we will write with. Now he is angry. Here it is angry. It may be happy or it may be any other emotion. He is happy with his sister. If I change the sentence, he is happy with his what to say, he is happy with his little sister or something like that, but the preposition that we will put here will remain the same. It will be with. If it is an act, like he is angry at his sister's behavior. Now that is, we are talking about his sister's behavior, so he is angry at her behavior. So if the sentence changes, he is angry at his sister's behavior. Now if his naughty sister, if this part changes to he is angry at her behavior, now then we can write here at. If it changes to her behavior, then we can write at. But if we find sister, mother or any other relation, we are to write with. Understand the difference. If there is some person, if there is a relation or somebody whose relation to he or the subject, we are to write with. And if it is not the case, then we will write at. With this, we come to the conclusion of our test paper series preposition topic. Now before ending the video, I'd like to say, whenever we do any preposition, always remember to translate it into your own language, into your own mother tongue, so that it becomes easy for you to do the answers. And always use common sense in such sentences. Always think in terms of what you will do in that particular situation. Then only can you answer the prepositions correctly. And as I have told in my earlier videos, whenever we are doing the answers, you must keep a copy near you and write them down, so you will be benefited better and you will remember the answers better. So I hope our videos are useful to you guys, and subscribe to our channel and follow our channel. And there are many videos which are helpful for you. We have made many videos on tricks, how to remember mathematical formulas and many other things. And in English also I'll be taking on such topics and revealing some tricks to you guys. So subscribe to Easy5 and follow our channel.